This is Algebra 2, Lesson 46, number 14. The problem says the height of a free-falling object neglecting air resistance is given by this function h of t equals negative 16t squared plus v sub 0 t plus h sub 0, where h sub 0 is the initial height in feet, v sub 0 is the initial velocity in feet per second, and h of t is the height in feet at t seconds. An object is dropped from a height of 56 feet. So I think the 56 is going to be my initial height. So I'm going to put that in for h sub 0. I think it's 56. How long does it take for the object to reach a height of 20 feet? So h of t is the height after a certain amount of time. And so we want to put the 20 in there because that's what we're interested in finding out. Is how long we want to, so we're going to solve for t. We want to know what t is when this height equals 20. Now, they gave us a hint. The initial velocity of a dropped object is 0. So this term right here is going to zero out. Okay, I'm not going to even write it because v sub 0 is 0. So now all I have to do, this may or may not be easy, well, depending on the numbers here. All I got to do is solve for t, right? So I'm going to just hope this works out. I'm going to subtract 56. Wait, do I want to do that? Or I might want to factor. Let's see. Let's just subtract 56 from both sides. See if that works out. Because you might be able to just, take the square root of both sides. That's probably what we want to do. We're going to calculate it, or I should already have it out. I should be able to do that in my head. Going to be something with a 4 on the end. Let's see, it's going to be 20 minus 56. It's going to be, oh, what? That didn't seem right. 20 minus 56. Okay, so that's negative 36. Hey! Maybe this will turn out okay. At least we have something positive over here. So t squared is whatever 36 divided by 16 is. 9/4. Hey, that's nice. 9/4, because then when I take the square root of both sides, well, that's kind of nice. So t, now we have to say plus or minus here, but it's 3/2. So we're going to throw away the negative answer because it doesn't make sense in the problem for there to be negative time going by. So we're just going to say 3/2. I think that's just 1.5, isn't it? So the time is going to be 1.5 seconds. So I think that's it. I can check it. I should check it to make sure I didn't make a mistake. Really, you could check it by plugging it back in the problem. I'm going to check it by looking in the answer book and see. So I think we did it right, and it turned out kind of nice. So here's 46, number 14. Yep, that's it. So I should write what it is. So now that I know it's correct, I'm going to write seconds. And that's all.